Oh man, we gonna see what's up, guys. We gonna see. Hold on, let me put this volume down for you guys. But if the audio isn't the best, it is because I am on my using my AirPods to talk. Let's see what's up. No cap, no cap. All right, we got everything going good. The links and everything are all sent out. Let me just get this YouTube link sent out also. We just hit 970 subscribers, so I appreciate everyone for subscribing. Also, I'm gonna try to get a good little video for you guys. I'm gonna try to get us a good trade for today. I have an idea on what I want to see already, and I'm gonna break it down in a second. Just hold on. What's going on? What's going on? How's your morning going? And how do you say your name? No, no way. Is it like pronounced a certain way? Yes, sir. All right, bet. If you gonna use chat to talk, just mute yourself real quick. But we about to see what we can get. We about to see if we can get a good trade today. Okay, bro. I'm about to just send out this live stream link real quick.
Is it, do you hear me, bro?
Oh yeah, I can hear you. I hear you now. I didn't hear you before.
Oh, cool. Yeah, my name is like Noah in yeah,
Oh, it's like Noah.
yeah, yeah, so yeah, but it is like
All
in
right,
French, Noah.
All right, bet. And Krishan, you said, hey, bro, not seeing any more videos. Yeah, I'm not posting a lot this week because if you're watching this right now, bro, I'm on vacation right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Look. This is what trading can do. We chilling. We
Why
chilling.
did you switch from YouTube to Zoom?
I do both. I just do Zoom. I don't really do a lot of Zoom as much. I only do Zoom with like one person. But sometimes I'll put it in the chat so everyone can join. Just here and there, just so I can talk to everybody in the chat.
All right,
Oh,
cool.
what's going on, Cortez? What's going on, bro? Chilling. But I hear you, Cortez, but it's like really low. I don't know. Maybe it's like the microphone that's connected. I'm not sure. But yeah, I know that was your voice. And we got Martin in here. All right, bet.
Yeah, like Nasdaq does not look like crazy at the moment.
It doesn't look nothing crazy, but me personally, I think we might be able to get a short off today. If we continue this bearish trend, I think here I'll explain in a second. I keep saying I'm gonna send this link to you to chat. There we go. I got the YouTube link. But all right, we about to see what we can get into. I'm gonna start off by putting up the previous day's highs and previous day's low. And actually, the previous day's high was right here. That was created during the Asian session high from yesterday at this point. So that is when we got the previous day high, and we got the previous day's low at 10:15 from yesterday morning. So next, I'm going to mark up the 12 a.m. open, which is right here. So there's already a few things that I'm noticing in price. The first thing that I noticed so far is that, as you can see, when we came up for this London session, we didn't really clear the Asian session high. Something I personally would have liked to see for potential high of the day is see price run above, maybe clear all the liquidity to the left over here, and then make a
Yeah, I
drop
see.
down like this. So I like that because then I can start using my fib to look for potential continuation moves for the New York session. So since we didn't get that ideal move up here, this is still going to be an area that I pull my fib from because this is the high of the day that we did get during the London session. So there still is a chance that we could get a continuation of that trend, but it's not going to be as high probability as say if we would have got that push higher before coming lower for that London session. But it can still happen for sure. And ideally, like I said, since I am bearish, I'm going to be targeting the previous day's low for an all-out target. So if I'm out, if I get into a trade, I ideally want to get majority of my position out at this level. Is basically what I'm saying. And where somewhere else
Yeah,
that
I
price
agree.
could, another area price could potentially retrace to is this area that up here that I'm looking at. If I go to 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, I have this last up candle right in here before this down move. And if I go back to the lower time frame now, you can see how that lines up right in this area, right here. So far, this is looking like a clean potential trade idea because I see that we have these short term highs right here that I would ideally want to
Mhm.
see price run above. So if we can run above this high, grab the liquidity, tap into what level is this right here? We also have 11,800 big figure level right here. So we could potentially run above, turn into a wick after we tap into the high, the low, this order block, tap into these fib levels, and ideally if we could stay below 11,850, I think we'll have a pretty high chance of price coming to stay lower. But the ideal stop loss that you would want to be using, if you hop in at 11,800, ideally the best stop loss would be 87 points, which is a little bit wider than what I would personally use. So that's why I'm going to try to get a better entry, such as maybe at the 70.50%, and then I could risk maybe 70, 65 points. Because at the end of the day, your stop loss is going to determine where your targets are going to be. So if I'm risking 50 points or 60 points, I would ideally need to have price come all the way back to this low for me to make a good 1 to 2, 1 to 3 trade. And if we can make it to the previous day's low, then we're going to have a way bigger trade. But as of right now, I'm just being patient. I'm going to wait. We're going to see if this is the high of the day up here. Right here.
Yeah, makes sense, bro. Makes sense. I
What's
like the
going
way
on,
we build
Matrix?
up some liquidity during London session right now.
Yeah, we're going to see though. It's still early in the week, but one thing I am going to do also is I'm going to pull a fib from this previous day's low to this high up here, just so I can map out to see if price is looking to potentially start to retrace. And as you can see, it is starting to hold that fib level. And what level we at also? We also have this 11,700 level in here that we're trying to hold on right here. So it looks like we will more than likely get a retracement, but we'll see if it's long term. Higher time frames do look pretty good for a potential buy if we do get above 12,000 again. This will all be a discount area. So if we are able to get longs in here, price will more than likely keep trying to push above 12,000. But as of right now, we still got a little bit to go until that until then. So right now I'm just waiting. Come around to say 9 o'clock, 9:30 in about 30, 40 minutes. If price hasn't pushed yet, I'm probably gonna look to see if I can catch a potential long to see if I could take price potentially into these areas to look for that short. Because even though I might go long, there is a chance that price could do exactly what I thought and retrace here, or it could just keep on going higher. But
Yeah,
only
the
time will
high
tell.
where you add a cross on your chart could be a great inducement to continue lower. I agree with you. I
Mm,
definitely agree in this.
yeah, we're gonna see. It's just being patient. I'm not forcing no trade. I'm already up 4% for the week. I've only taken one trade, so I'm not really stressing it. We'll see what happens. If I find a good opportunity, then I'll try to take it. But if I don't see nothing else, then it is what it is. But it looks like US
Same.
30 is having a similar setup also.
Do you have a look on S&P sometimes or not at all?
I look at it here and there, but not as often as I look at US 30 and say NAS 100. I look at those way more.
Right.
S&P, I just feel like moves way slower.
Okay.
You said what? Mar, how you doing, bro?
Doing
Yeah.
good, man. Just marking up, seeing what both sides of the trade could look like and where price is going to be at the open, and then just making sure to stick to the plan. Like, that's the hard part.
Yeah, facts, facts, facts. So far, with the way this is looking, the daily candle never made a upwick, which is giving me a potential idea to think that price might go higher. But we'll see. We will see. I do want to see if I can get a good bearish sell, but with the way price is looking, after we had this major drop here, let me zoom out like this. I'm a little bit rusty because I'm on my laptop, so I don't have that much screen room. Because like what you guys don't see, I have all you guys on the Zoom camera on here too. But the way I'm looking at it, price tried to get above these highs. It failed to. Came down, retraced to potentially now push above all this liquidity and keep trying to go higher. Why is the previous high up there? To run again above this previous day's high. That could be a good potential buy situation. If I'm looking to buy, I would only be looking to buy in this area that we are right now. That's just be personal because we are in this fib. We have that big figure level, and that's a previous day low to previous day's high fib. So it was more likely to play out. And the way I'm looking at US 30 also, if I were to pull a fib from this low to this high, is currently not in those areas. So there could be a chance that price might be coming a little bit lower. So I don't know. Right now we're just gonna be patient. Like I said earlier, I'm not trying to force no trade. If I get one, I get one. I'm not really stressing it. So just gotta be patient and wait for the best scenario to happen. If it's a sell, if it's a long, if it's nothing, it's just waiting.
Yeah, because yesterday was like a huge fake. It was like Nasdaq was down 3%, and then at the end of the day, it was like at the equilibrium. So,
Yeah,
like the
yesterday I
stock
didn't
didn't
even really
even.
look at it. Personally, I didn't really look at the charts yesterday because I woke up so late, so I didn't really bother with it. But here, as a matter of fact, let me go look at it right now while I'm here.
See 9 a.m.
It dropped
almost.
right into that 30-minute order block, bullish order block.
Let me see.
Yeah, this is not strong low for me. Like didn't took any liquidity,
Right there.
just make
Yeah,
break
that shit
structure.
was kind of. It looks a little bit trash. It looks like it had this nice move at 11,800. Remember, Martin? Was that yesterday or was this yesterday? That was Monday.
That's
Never mind.
today.
Oh yeah, here. This would have been a nice move here. This London continuation. That would have been the ideal one, but it was just early. And then here, if you would have sold short maybe at 850, then you probably could have caught something maybe 8:45, 9 o'clock. But that would have been cutting it close, trying to catch that
Even
sell.
London, even London didn't retrace to the 38%. Like it didn't even have a good pullback. It was just a strong like
Yeah, it just slowly
little
dropped.
dip. It's not even a. There was no pullback of any sort really.
Yeah, that's why I want to see if we could potentially run for this previous day's high because it might try to continue this bullish trend. But I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
That's gonna play out. There's gonna be a little retracement to get a good entry. Take off, bounce back, retracement, fill this order block, and then the move higher.
Yeah, and FOMC is coming tonight, so market might be waiting for that news before having the expansion.
Facts that could play a big part for sure. Wednesday, yeah.
I don't see any other news. No.
About to go to the gym after this. What are you up to? No, after the trading. No, no way.
Yeah, my boy. Yeah, sorry. I didn't know you were talking to me at all. I think you were talking to Andrew. Yeah, I'm not on the same timeline as you. I'm living in France, so for me it's the afternoon.
Oh shit. Okay, that's cool. That's getting your day trade in the evening, noontime. That's what's up.
Yeah, like the New York Open is like 3 p.m. for me in France.
Oh, that's cool, man. What do you not trade London, or because the New York has the push, you like to trade New York?
Yeah, I like to trade London, but mostly in forex, like GU and EU mostly.
Ah, makes sense. Makes sense. Those are big. Those are big markets for those European.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, like London definitely got some sauce sometimes. Sometimes all the sauce is for New York, but sometimes London you can have crazy setup.
Hell yeah! Do you ever trade the German 30?
The DAX, not at all, not at all. To be honest, trying to stick with GU in EU gold sometimes, but
Okay. Yeah, bro. I just stick with one thing nowadays because I have a full time job and I do a little bit of other stuff. So it's just easier just to be in that hunter gatherer mindset of just following the herd. This is to me, this is following like the mammoths back in the day, how our ancestors did it, and then just hunting.
uh,
So,
I understand. But how do you handle having like a job every day and trading consistently?
oh,
How do you
I,
handle this?
I had a family business for the last 10 years, and it was a struggle fighting my family to tell them like, hey, I can't be there at 5 in the morning. I have to be here because this is what I believe in, and they understand. And then I go to the gym after, and then I go to work and work my 8 hours. And we actually have 14 people working for us now. So after post COVID, but it's not too hard, man. It's just one of those things where you read like, hey, if you really want it, you can work a full time job and still do your side hustle. Yeah, I don't have a lot of friends. I only talk to the people on the Telegram group chat and Andre and my brother, but and my family. But we're also doing real estate. So I'm building a little accessory dwelling unit, like a little second house on our acre lot. So I'm doing all the permits and doing that too on my free time after working and trading and working out.
Oh, it's cool. And
Yeah.
but I mean, like you're working like family business, so you can have like some kind of flexible hour, like you can manage to work during those hours you don't want to be in the market, right?
Yeah, I could definitely manipulate my time. Not as much as if I didn't have a job because I still have to work, but as long I could go in and as long as I'm get my 8 hours in before midnight, my time, like it's all good.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. Because like my job what I was doing was like only a 9 to 5, so I was supposed to be at the office from 9 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. So like for trading, it was like awful for me, especially for day trade. And I had the opportunity to quit my job and to still have some money coming into my pockets. So that's what I do right now.
Okay, yeah, dude, it's one of those things. It's like you're going all in on yourself, so don't give up.
I will not, bro. Definitely, I'm working on that my forex fund challenge right now, like 50K. I'm on the phase two. I'm already made like 2.5%. So I'm 2.5% from having my first payout from my forex fund. So I'm kind of
Yeah, dude.
excited right now.
I, if there's no setup today, don't risk it because that you can have an easy 3% day sometime this week if you just take that correct trade.
I took a great one on GU this morning, and I actually
Oh,
made my 2.5% from GU this morning. It was very clean.
yeah, dude, don't risk too. If you do take a trade, no more than 1% because you'll still be up 1.5%, even less because if there's no good setup, bro, don't risk it. Don't risk it. Because you already made your 2.5, you can be back till
Yeah,
Thursday,
sure,
Friday. When do you have?
sure, but
When is the challenge? A couple more weeks.
yeah, exactly. That's the goal. That's the main goal. But I like to come to Andre live because I like the way he processes his trades and he explained the way he take decision.
Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Shit.
I mean, transparency. It's like something very lacking in this business. So having someone just being honest with you on live is just something you cannot find everywhere in this industry.
Yeah, bro.
Honesty big, bro. Respect people like link up with people that are more like honest and transparent because a lot of fakes are out there.
Nah, facts. You never know who's really real. You just gotta. That's why you gotta learn over
Yeah,
time how to just tell. You could never just. You're not gonna know off rip. Like shit.
I
I like with Chinaman. 2 days ago, I picked him up and we was chilling at my apartment. We spoke this shit. We was chilling. Chinaman's good peoples, but I would have never known that unless You know, you got to get out there sometimes. Just talk to people, try new things. Networking is how a lot of people make a lot of money. So always got to
Yeah,
keep
like
that in mind.
I don't fuck with people who like just show some markup on TradingView and say like, oh, okay, I made 2%, 5%. You know,
Nah, yeah, I
no,
like
no,
seeing the
bro.
actual trade. Like, I hate when people
Yeah,
only put the trading view. Like, all right, I understand. If you mapped out that trade and it played out, I'm proud of you. Congratulations. But if you're not able to take that trade also, then it's a big difference. But if you're able to map that trade out and take the trade and have a good entry, and you did both, now that's different. All right, you're doing good because in a few years, no matter what, you're going to be only getting better regardless with experience. But when the people on
exactly.
Trading View, I don't really know if they're doing it. I don't know if they're not doing it. I don't know if they're had the right position size. I don't know if they took a partial. There's just a lot of things you can't really tell with Trading View. But Trading View is good for the charts. It's good to learn. But when people post it, I'm just like, all right, I'm proud of you, but shit, did you take the trade though? Did you take it though?
Yeah, like too much kids playing like paper trade on
Mm-hmm.
Instagram, being marketed. It sucks, man, for
Like
this
even
industry.
with a demo account, like even just take a demo account. Don't even got to be real money. If you could show me that you could take a crazy good trade on a demo, bro, you could do the same thing on a live account. Nothing changes. It's real money. It's the same concept.
Yeah, but like a lot of beginners get trapped in by
Yeah,
those people. And, like it makes me sick, to know about this
but
because I've
even
been one of them. You
shit. But that's what I was about to come into. If you think about it, bro, majority of us came in because we seen people making a whole bunch of money, and we
Yeah,
thought it was possible. So to an extent, it's a gift and a curse. Because if it wasn't for all those people posting how much money they can make, we might have looked at trading as like, oh, boring. Oh, you can't have a certain lifestyle.
mm,
So to an extent,
yeah,
it plays a part, good and bad. Everything has its pros and cons. Nah, because we all trying to get super rich, and if we imagine if it was just all people posting no money, just posting charts all day, we probably wouldn't have gotten into it as easily as we did, or at least had the thought.
yeah,
Not
I
everyone though,
agree. No, definitely.
because shit, just the way humans are, just we like fast money. That's why people like scalping. That's why people gravitate towards trading. That's why people do a lot of illegal things. Is people like fast money, fast gratification, all of that. That's why
A
trading is
lot of
like
things
so
are
hard.
a lot of things are illegal because humans make up rules. But if you get rid of that, like just people like to have that spending, man. Like it's it's okay. You ever heard of Maslow's hierarchy? Like
Nah, I
you're
haven't heard
having
of it.
you need to cover your basic necessities: food, water, and shelter. And homeless people don't even have that, so they don't even cover that part of like the bottom of the pyramid. But as you start working your way up and having healthier food, healthier lifestyle, at the very end, it's all about like self acceptance. And it's like, okay, well, I have basic food and shelter. Now I can go out and get me that luxury car. Now I can go out and get me
Yeah,
that. It's like you got your basics. Now you can go and get more.
nah, that's a fact. That's facts, bro. I could hear you. I walked away, but I had my AirPods on. I still hear you.
All right, cool, cool.
Nah, yeah, bro. That's why it's just all about focusing on yourself, no matter what. Everything always leads back to the next. Focus on yourself, make money, stay healthy, stay consistent. This is
Yeah,
all the same shit,
as
bro. And that it goes for everything. Not even just trading.
yeah, as soon as you understand that you can only count of yourself on yourself, you're on the right track. You
Yeah, bro. You
cannot.
the only person.
Yeah, and that's the way I like trading. Like you only you and your performance. Like this is the only you and your performance. That's it, bro.
Yeah.
No customer, no
That,
supplier, no all this shit. Like it's just you and you.
no, that's what we telling Martin. It's a competition in this game. Like even though the Martin's my guy, if he's on the opposite trade, it's clips. It's over for that boy. But
You're
he might
taking
have his
his
days.
money.
He might have his days. He might like, nah, I'm feeling like going against him. I think this could happen. It's gonna go against me. I'm like, well, can't win them all. Can't win them all. Y'all take our L's.
Yeah,
Those are
It's a
that's the
big
thing
learning
old
that
circle.
experiences, though. Those are learning experiences. It
Look
does
at
add up.
that's
You
why.
can't really get better unless you go through pain.
Nah, oh God, because pain creates pain. It gives that experience, that pain that you don't want to get back, and that's kind of the motivation to push you forward to like get away from that and go the opposite way. Damn, yeah, price ain't even moving right now. It's just going that slow.
Mm.
US 30, same thing. We'll see how the open is. We still got 20 minutes. I'm gonna just
I
monitor
feel
the
like
lower time
Nasdaq is
frame.
gonna drop straight after the open until the low at 11,500.
It definitely
That's what I.
could. If it does drop, then I think we'll come for this previous day's low. And once we reach the previous day's low, I probably won't even look for another trade because then we're just in a big range from the previous day's high and the previous day's low again. But we'll see. It could just keep dropping at the open and then just be a trending day. And at that point, I'm gonna just be done. But if we keep pushing, or if we retrace back to 11,700, I might look for a potential long situation. If I could risk maybe, if I get in around 700, risk about 30 to 50 pips, points, I mean, try to take it up to at least up here. That's 90, that's 100. This is about 140. So it's a pretty good risk reward if I can get a good stop loss, depending on my entry. So what I'm actually going to do for that is I'm going to find the one that broke the low, which is right here, clear this low, ran above. Now we're looking for that retracement. And it looks like we're holding that 38.20% level. But since I think we're creating all that liquidity now to drop to these lower levels right down here. So if we could trade, clear all these lows, tap into 11,700 one more time, I think that's going to be my little entry signal for potential long. But hopefully, if that doesn't happen, price just starts pushing its way for 11,800 and I can start to look for a short. That's basically what I'm looking to do. Buy at around 11,700, sell at around 11,800. We'll just see which one happens first. If any of them
Yeah, but that
happen,
makes sense.
yeah. If
That
any of
that
them
buy
happen,
seems more risky than the sell, but let's
yeah,
see.
it
I
is
like
more
that
risky.
liquidity.
Yeah, it is more risky for sure. The only thing is, it's a reversal trade though, so you have a better risk reward. So even though it is more risky, this trade up here, if I were to short at 11,800, I'll probably only be able to get maybe a 1 to 3, 1 to 3.5 if I'm lucky. But if this trade plays out, I might be able to get a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 if I'm lucky. So just the risk reward plays a little bit different. But that's why I like my continuation moves because they're less risky.
Mm.
Like this sell is way less risky, but this buy is more risky because it could potentially keep on falling down, come down to 79%, maybe come down, tap into 11,600. It could do a few things, but I'm just keeping in mind time of day, where we are in price, and we'll see. And we're making that run lower now, so we're about to see what I could do. I'm gonna hop on my MetaTrader, start trying to calculate my lot sizes. All right, so if I hop in at 11,700, I need my stop loss at the low, which is about 30 points, which isn't bad. It's a really great risk reward. So if I lose this trade, shit, it's cool. Just 1 L.
Because you're risking 30 points, are you still risking 1% off those 30 points, or are you upping your lot size or keeping it pretty consistent?
Nah, I'm just gonna probably up the lot size and keep the risk that I'm risking the same. I risk 1.5%. So
Oh, okay. So
I'm gonna have a 5 lot for 30 points.
that's your what that equates to 1.5% though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
My
not
risk
like
is
you're doing
always the same. My risk is
4%.
always the same. Nah. I just changed the lot size.
So you're still risking one point, like it's a little bit more than the 1%, but this is when confidence comes in and you can risk that
Yeah, I
extra
always
point.
risk 1.5, but I haven't risked 1% in a little bit. My bad, family, getting my daughter up right now. I'm listening though. Because for the audio ain't the best. I appreciate y'all. Nah, it's all good, bro. Feels good seeing the same sentiment I marked up. Yeah, bro. We gonna see. It's all about patience. Either one could happen. Both setups could happen. We can get the buy and then it turns into that long, for all we know. But right now, I'm just waiting for price to at least run below all these lows and clear this liquidity because it's just making more and more. And even though we are on the lower time frame, just the fact that that big figure level is right there, it's making me more confident to believe that we might get that rejection. So once we get to 11,700, I am gonna try to go in for that long. What time is it? 9:17. All right, we're gonna see what we can get by the open. We gonna see. Saying that a lot, but just being patient right now. Just chilling on the couch. Whatever happens, happens. Looking like it's
How
trying to
was
push.
yesterday? How was
Yesterday was
yesterday, dude?
good. It was so. What I do yesterday? I didn't do too
Jet
much
ski?
yesterday. I was just chilling.
Didn't you go jet ski, motherfucker?
Was it yesterday?
That shit look fun though. I ain't even lying.
Definitely. Was yesterday? Shit, bro. I been smoking too much. How was it yesterday, bro? Hold on.
Or the day before. It's one of those days.
The day before. Day before. All right, but see, I was like, was it really yesterday? Damn, bro. What's going on? Yesterday I was just chilling. I went downtown, bought some colognes, just got food. I chilled for a lot of the day. Today I'll probably do
How was
around the
jet
same
ski?
time. Now jet skiing was thorough. I did it like downtown, so I had like the whole skyline in the
Oh,
back. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's trying to push now. Let's see. See if we'll go to 11,800 by 9:30 or by 10.
it's 80 points away from the 800. It could definitely move that in that range in 10 minutes.
I definitely can. Definitely can. But yeah, I got all this sunburn on my shoulders. Shit, burning as fuck. That sun in the city, bro, it ain't no joke. Especially on the water, should be sucking, killing you, killing. All right, come on, Nas, keep on falling. Yeah, it's trying to keep the upward structures just consolidating. Just trying to get this retracement to 11,700. That's all I need. 11,700, and I'm going long. 30-point stop below that low. Risk 1.5%. If we can get to 11,700, 11,800, that would be a 1 to 3.3 minimum. Let's see what we can get. See if it goes long without us, and we have to go short. Only time is up. If I get
Have you
another, you said what?
have you guys ever heard of a trader named QB Stu?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Hey, that
What
feels
is
pretty
name?
cool.
Can you write it?
He's like friends with the FIP and like Q Banks.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, but he smokes weed, bro, and he plays in a different division for football, and they cut him, but that's because he scored a touchdown that he's been looking for like ever. He pulled out a joint, bro, and started smoking it on camera, and they cut him, but he's like, fuck it, that's just who I am.
I feel him. Nah, yeah, he's thorough. I forget where he's in Georgia.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, he's in like Atlanta, Georgia. Honestly, trying to short 11,750. Yeah, it could be possible, but at that point, Matrix, I think there's a good chance it might come for the 800 level. You could be right though. That 11,750 is in confluence with the 38.20% level, so it could, definitely could. Right now, price is just trying to push higher, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that entry. But we'll see. Got about 10 minutes to open.
From retail perspective, there's gonna be people who want to buy that breakout.
That what? The
I said
breakout?
from a retail perspective, there's gonna be people who are gonna FOMO in as soon as this breaks above like 730.
Oh yeah, for sure. There's people gonna. There's people probably getting ready right now, putting their buy limits, sell limits.
Oh, I did. I put a buy limit in. I ain't gonna fucking execute this one. Fuck that. I always
Nah,
FOMO.
I don't really like I don't really like limits. I like to execute myself just so I can get my entry at the right time.
That makes sense. For me, it's helping me kind of with my patience because even if I was expecting to buy at 11,700. I may buy at like 11,700, like 710, 715 because of the, I don't know. I just the discipline part, I guess. The discipline.
No, I get what you're saying. It's two different things. Like me personally, I don't have the problem with getting in a certain area, so I see why you should use buy and sell limits just to get you in there and not early. But a lot of the time when I use them, they just don't get activated. So I'm just like, even if I know where a person might go, I might just get finessed. That's why I just would rather get in, watch the market, and if I'm not on the charts, then I can't take a trade.
There it is. The breakout. No, it might be a false break. I don't know, man. It ain't my time to
Yeah,
get
we'll
in. It
see.
ain't my time to get in.
We'll see what happens.
You didn't take the tablet to the trip.
No, I did. It's over there though. I'm just on the couch right now. Yeah, maybe I might not get this long yet. There's still time.
Yeah, it ranged for the fucking last 8:30, last hour,
Yeah, not real shit. Didn't do shit.
2 hours almost, 3 hours.
Looks like this might try to keep that range if it follows that 1 minute candle. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Even at the market open, price may push up to where we're looking to sell off at that 70, 79% fib retracement, fib short.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for whichever one happens first. That's ideally what I'm going with.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
I'm just waiting, whichever one I see.
Yeah, I'd rather be on the side of the beer today.
Yeah, the Bears.
Be
Should I feel
patient.
it?
Wait, you're almost done with that second part of the challenge. Just don't give back anything, really.
Yeah, just wait to take high probability trades. That's all.
Yeah, bro, I'm so close from it, so I'm not gonna mess up. Trust me.
Nah, yeah, I believe you. There we getting that drop. Let's see. We're gonna go to 11,700 though. That's the real question. But yeah, if you're on the bear side, don't even look to go long. Hold on.
This is short-term bullish. It's just for that retracement up to the high. So it's not like it's an all-day thing where there's a take profit to get out, scale all the way out. Ooh, here comes that. Here comes that. Buy. Just heads up, guys. Here comes the buy.
Nope. Alright, I'm back. I was on the phone. Yeah, I thought we might have got that short entry, that long, I mean, but nope. Came close and then
Yeah,
kept
he
going.
left.
It's just moving
Just
real shaky
fly.
right now.
Yeah.
Like, even though I want to short at 11,800, the risk reward's not worth it. Like, a 50-point stop would be right here. That would be the ideal where I want my stop loss to be if I got in at 11,800. But even then, I'd rather get in better pricing. Let me see where the Asian range 50% is.
Right at the 79%.
Yeah, it's like right in here. I think that would be the ideal entry for me personally if I wanted a good entry. But we'll see if that even happens. Damn, I thought I was going to be able to get that long on that retracement I found.
Yeah, same here, but there was just no like pullback to the fib levels or even that order block that it was created yesterday.
Yeah.
The order block lines up between the 62 to 79%, and we had the fib level there too. So it pulled back to the 50%, and then just didn't want to break below those lows. That happens.
Now we're going to see if this is going to drop from this 38.20% or keep going. 850 around there would be 840 to 850 is ideally where I want to short. It might fall before then though, so I gotta keep that in mind.
Volume coming, but not that much. There were no volume this morning on European session
Yeah,
in France and Germany. It was like very lot of lack of volume.
shit, it might be like that all day. We won't see.
But Wall Street can kick in and change the overall trend of
So
the
they
day.
definitely can. Once we get to 850, they should just drop it. Oh god.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on,
Because I
buddy.
want to see us reject 11,800, but I also want to see us clear these highs.
He's getting there.
There's a lot of orders if you go use the volume profile at the 50%, but that could just be, I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't really know how to read the volume profile, really.
He's getting there.
Yeah, it's around this 11,800 area. I don't know. Part of me does want to go short, like right above those highs, like at the high of that order block below it. Let me see. Kind of instead of a 50, maybe a 60-point stop. I don't know if 50 is like valid though. I don't know. I want to get a good risk reward.
Yeah. 1 to 3 would be nice.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Right now, price looks like it's trying to drop. I need to get above 11,800 for me to start looking at short. Like right here, 1120 to 1150, this area is all looking at short. It can go short from any part in there. All right, we're gonna push. If you guys want, you can start looking at potentially short at that 11,800 because it might get a drop from there. It might not even go higher. But personally, for me, I just want a better entry. That's why I'm just waiting. But I know that there's a high chance that 11,800 might have that reaction that I'm looking for. Yeah, it's trying to react. I just needed to push a little bit higher. Just a little bit higher. Just push 30 more points and I'll hop in for the short. At least 30 points, so I can at least have my stop loss at least like above that order block. I think that's best case scenario. All right, we're pushing and push a little bit higher. Come on, don't reject. And
I'm in.
yeah, I just hopped in for my short. Stop loss is going above the order block. Whatever happens from here happens. We're gonna see what's up. 50 points. The only thing I'm worried about is just my stop loss because I do know that it is a bit risky. Let's see if we can run all the way to this previous day's low. That would be best case scenario. Could happen, could not. Only time will tell. 818 is where I got in. 868. Damn, that shit going. Where's my stop loss? 68. Yeah, we're up here. Let's see how price plays out.
Higher time frame. I'm gonna start going on like the hour, see where it could kind of. It's in that order block. It's in the fib, so we'll take the risk. One trade today.
Yeah, we just gonna see what happens. I trust the analysis. It's just being patient with it. I just want to
Yeah,
see if we could turn into a wick and start falling below 11,800. I think that would be a pretty valid sign. But
facts.
until then, we just gotta be patient.
Plus you put the stop loss right below where those highs are. So if it's gonna go fucking shoot high, at least we're out of the trade before it goes and
Yeah.
fucking flies. I had a homie yesterday tell me, he's like, "You're still paper trading?" And I said, "Am I? The fact that I am still trading, yes." And he's like, "Oh," and I go, "Why would I? I got tired of putting in real money when I couldn't even go a month straight break even. I go,
No,
I'm
bro.
barely
There's no
break even
point.
trader now."
Yeah, we push it. Let's see how we react with this 50% here.
Yeah, shit.
Hey, whatever happens, if I lose, it is what it is. I'm done for the day. I meant to send this screenshot instead of the other. But we will see. But right now, it's looking like it wants to be bullish. Not gonna lie to you. So unless we can start reacting like OD and trying to fall again or reject this 50%, it's not looking on the best of my side. But still got some time with this 5 minute candle. Anything could happen in 1 minute. A lot could happen. Just gotta let it do its thing. This isn't the ideal stop loss I wanted either. If it was up to me, I would have my stop loss above that high from London session, but risk reward wise, I can't. It wouldn't make sense. It's either I don't hop in the trade at all, or I have a lower loss, not lot, stop loss. But with the way it's reacting, I think we'll be good. All I need is a 1 to 2, and I can think about taking my risk off. But ideally, I just want to get below that low at around 11,670. That's all I need to get below for me to start taking my partial. But with the way this is reacting, I think we'll be good. Just gotta hope our stop loss holds up. I might just watch the 1 minute for right now. This might tell me more than any other time frame. We're at the high. man. Yeah, we look like we're trying to fall down. I'm gonna have a song in the background, just waiting, just waiting. Yep, I'm gonna be blasting it once this trade plays out. Maybe I'm calling it too early and I jinx myself, but hey, fuck it, right? Fuck it.
YOLO. Have fun with the
Facts.
day. Have fun with the day. Fuck it.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just trying to have a winning trade. That's all.
All this resistance up at this level, it's having a hard time breaking
It's at
here.
that
So
50% of the Asian range it's rejecting right now, and that's why I like how it's rejecting. I just need to get back below 11,800 because my entry's above 11,800. So we can get below it and stay holding. Oh, don't go up. You want to go down. Wrong direction.
Like Asian midline is very underrated in my opinion.
Hmm.
It is working in a lot of case study I've been working on.
It works well. A lot of the sessions play big parts. London sessions, highs and lows. New York session, highs and lows. All the sessions play a huge part. People just don't realize it. And once they start back testing it and looking at it, they're like, damn, it really works out. All right, come on. Let's go all the way down. Fuck the ranging. Fly so I could blast his music. I need some good vibes. I'm trying to wake the neighbors up. Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna play when this plays out. Say that. Planning the downfall already. Get
This
below
15-minute candle
11,800.
is gonna be
That's what I'm saying. I
very
need this next 15-minute candle and 2.5 minutes to be the candle. Like I'm cool with this next few minutes being slow, but the candle after that, it needs to be a nut.
yeah. If it closed like with a long weak ass, like it's gonna smell good. But 3 minutes left.
Like even with the 5 minute, this 5 minute candle can reject under 11,800. Oh my god! Like we can get below 11,500 for this candle and then close in 2 minutes below it. It's gonna be valid because then we're only getting farther away from stop loss. That's how I look at it. Like even if I don't win the trade, I'm closer to break even. There we go. Get back below 11,800.
orders are stacking where that volume profile is.
11,800. I'm telling you, that's all it's showing. I already knew that was gonna be a lot of orders because 11,800, but it was just an extra confirmation. All right, we're about to be at TP1. I'm just waiting to break even once we smash like right below these lows. Once we start getting below these lows, like around right around here, is TP1.
The way it reacted to that fair value gap on the 15 is crazy. Like
Is
it
that where it
was
rejected?
lying under that. Sorry, bro.
I said, is that where it rejected? Oh, this right here? No, is it? Oh no, it's this one.
No, no, above. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right here,
Yeah, I see what
in
you're talking
same
about.
line with the Asian midline.
Yeah, see that, bro? I'm telling you, the candles tell you everything you need. Don't hold above 11,800. It's the opposite of what I want.
It has an order block it created on the 5 minute, so it may want to go test that. But if it breaks above on the 1 minute, my bad, not even the 5 minute. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm just watching a 1 minute. That's why these candles aren't as strong since I'm on a lower time frame, but still, they just show what more likely to happen next,
Last little
directional
candle
wise.
before the move down.
So we could just be retesting that order block.
Yeah, I'm not
Uh,
moving stop loss. We have a good entry.
no, I'm not moving either. I'm just waiting until I at least get past my TP1. Until I get past TP1, there's still a risk on. Until there's risk off, gotta be waiting.
Gotta just be patient, bro. It's like wanting to go in, enter the meat locker, but you gotta fucking foreplay with the chick, bro. You gotta get her ready.
Yeah.
We just we just working right
Yeah. I see what you're saying. Kind of.
now. We just working it. It's cool. It's in that order block. If it breaks above this, though, I'm gonna be a little nervous.
If it breaks above, it's probably gonna try to keep going above. But hey, holy time will tell.
Yo,
Yeah. We'll see. See how it reacts at 850. If 850 doesn't hold and fall, well, that's probably not going to be a winning trade today. Yeah. Doesn't look like it was too. Whoa. If I take this out, it is what it is. I want to see how it reacts at 850. It looks like it's trying to reject. Oh, pushed. Eh. This is area here. I told you there's going to be a lot of. This is the ideal area just to sell, just in this big range. The stop loss is the main thing right now. That 850 rejection looks nice. I just want to get below 11,800. And until I'm below 11,800, this trade is more than likely not going to play out. But hey, only time will tell. That's all I'm keep saying. Only time will tell. Because right now, it's just ranging.
Overall, market's bearish, so this it may. I don't know, man. We just following price at this point and just
Yeah,
managing
I'm
the trade.
just
What
keep in
happens?
mind we're on a 1 minute time frame. A lot happens on here, like in a short amount of time. So we're still in this bearish London continuation. We're still in this fib. We're still in this order block, and we're still rejecting 850. But until we get below 800, the big level, then I don't think it's going to play out. But with the way it's looking, we got another engulfing after clearing these highs to the left of us. We should fall if it wants to go lower.
Yeah, even on the 4 hour, like it looks like it's starting to reject the 4 hour order block, like what you just said, but on a higher time frame too. So
Yeah, we're rejecting up here, US 30, rejecting 32,000. That's a big figure level also. There we
I'm
go.
in
Slowly
profit.
but surely. Yeah, slowly but surely. I'm just waiting for TP1 to break even. Let's get back below 11,800. Yes, sir.
I feel kind of bad, bro,
Why?
because you said you were gonna enter at 840, 850, and then I said I'm gonna enter, and then it went to like 840, 850 after
Hey,
my
it be
full.
like that. Sometimes you're not gonna know. You ain't know it was gonna go up there. I know. Just easily could have not went even went to 800. No telling
You,
what it would have done. Because if it would have never made that second wick, it would have never went to 850. You went to
but you have
840.
better intuition than I do. You had that gut feeling, like because of your experiences, it
Yeah,
was
but
gonna
even
go.
then, I ain't even hopped in there. I only got in at 818. Like even I didn't get the perfect entry. It's a good entry still, nonetheless. But that's why it's just about what you're risking. Because even though I'm risking the same amount. I'm just gonna have to get out a little bit later. Still the same setup though. There we go. We
Almost
falling
at
now.
TP1. TP1's almost come on, risk free.
No kizzy.
That's a good placement stop loss too. I see where that top of the order block is. It was only 50 points. It got close to it from our entry, but
They got damn real close. We got lucky with that one. I
yeah,
didn't think we would have got that close, and then still kept going.
that's respecting the word though of holding your stop loss at that specific strategic level.
No cap. All right, we about to be at TP1, and TP1 just got hit. I am now break even. Come on, go to TP2. Let's go straight to TP2.
I ain't giving back shit, bro. If this wants to go bullish, I ain't giving back shit.
Yeah, I'm cool,
Fuck,
bro. They ain't getting shit from me.
fuck that. I'm tired of losing, bro. Fuck that.
Keep on going. I'm trying. If I get the second trade, bro, I just need TP2. That's all I need. 11,700 is where I'm targeting right now. I don't even care for anything after that. If I can get this 1 to 2.3, that's all I need for this trade to call it a day. Ain't a fucking week if I really wanted to. Let's go. 11,700. And I wanted to clear that liquidity I was looking to clear earlier. And then from there, it could easily reject. So that's what I'm thinking about. I'm going to just take off what I can from there. So regardless what happens, I'm break even. So I can't lose. The worst
Yeah,
comes to worst, I just make nothing.
so I feel like it's gonna gravitate towards where you're saying the 700 level because there's some liquidity down there.
Hopefully it doesn't go for this retracement already. Because then I
Yeah,
might move my stop loss. Let's hope this goes to 38.20% if it does retrace from here.
30. Yeah.
Because if it does retrace to that order block, those two up candles right there, 11,800, then it's gonna tap right at my break even. So let's go to 11,700 first, then retrace. Clear that liquidity. Man, we're just at TP1 right now.
It's still early too. 20 minutes into the open. Come on, just 700. We just need a couple more points.
All right, I'm gonna keep in mind this retracement, so I'm gonna hover my stop loss above where it originally was, because just in case it does tap into these areas, I think it's still gonna go down. I just don't want to risk getting break even for nothing.
Makes
So
sense.
we didn't hit TP2, we only came back to TP1 and then hovered. So I'm cool with putting it back to where it originally was, just to make sure this doesn't go all the way back down. Because I want to hit CP1 again. If it does hit it again, then that's the last time I'm going to do it. Because it shouldn't keep on trying to come back up if it has an ideal destination that it's trying to go to, like these lows below right here. And I'm just hoping this is just a 38.20% rejection and it keeps dropping from there. So I don't got to move my stop loss. Because that's not what I want to do. I just want to
Well,
keep
it
this
just
trade as
happened.
is.
Let's see what
There
happens.
it looks pretty valid so far. Spoke too soon.
Yeah,
Ugh.
I'm gonna just stick with break even no matter the result. Like
Yeah, you're
trying to
good.
be
You're good, bro.
defensive.
I'm already up. That's why. So even if I take one loss, I still could have to take like another two to give everything I lost back just from one day.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go out and close MT4 for now, I guess. Like,
So you good, bro. No trade is a
yeah.
good day. No trade is a good trade.
All right. See you guys. You guys having a good day.
Appreciate you, bro. You too. You have a good one.
Yeah.
See
Later,
you.
man. Have a good day.
Thank you.
And I'm just trying to go higher. I might have to move my stop loss. I don't want to though. All right, I'm gonna move it back to where it originally was, just in case. Worst comes to worst, I still take my original loss. But I
Yeah,
don't
the
like the way this is
800 levels
reacting.
right here.
The
You may want to
800
go.
and the fib and the order block is all in this area. Like the same area we were consolidating at before, all these orders is where it's trying to gravitate to now. So that's why I'm just going to wait. Once we get past TP1 again and start breaking past these lows, making a little bit farther down, then I'll break it even again. But until then, I'm going to just leave it where it originally was, just in case. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
It looks like it's at least going to come for this 11,800. And we're below it now, so that we're in good territory. It's just about being patient now. Man, it looks like it's trying to reject. Just gotta
Yeah.
wait.
A swing low with those rejection wicks.
Shit, hopefully.
That'd
That
be
would be
nice.
best case scenario.
Shit.
But once we start falling again, I'm breaking even. I'm not. I had risk off, and now I'm back risk on. Moving backwards. Moving backwards. Market, what you doing? I'm trying to have this good trade. Get another 3% for the day, hopefully. 2.5 at least.
Hold, 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 hold.
Yeah, I'm
Fall.
still holding. Might come up again, try to tap the 11,800, like tap it. But wick wise, I'm nowhere near my stop loss, so I'm not really worried. Worst comes to worst, it's going to try to reject around the entry that I have. We'll see. We will see. US 30, still struggling, just consolidating right now. US 30 looks like it's trying to push higher. There, come on now, let's keep dropping. I'm not trying to end my 2.5 week win streak at this point. Come on, man. You know what you want to do. I don't even gotta tell it to you. You nasty. You got it. You know what I want to see, and the banks know what I want to see. And what I want to see is what they want to see. So now I'm just waiting for it to see. You see?
Hell yeah, bro. Okay, there's the 800 retest, but
There we go. There's 800. Oh, right into the fibs. A lot of momentum just got pushed on.
the Dow's
Then
looking.
Dow's looking more bullish than Nas for sure. Yeah, but it's at these highs. But I'm just keeping in mind this high of the day for here. So there's still a chance for US 30. But if it starts to push, it's gonna be iffy for Nas. Me trying to hold. Still good territory for Nas though. Just got to be patient about it.
Still early.
It's just 850 level, 850 and 800. Just his range in here right now is wild, wild range. Look at that. I told you it's probably gonna try to retest the entry, and look at that. Fucking rejected it to the pip. Hey, that's a good entry though. It came
Yeah,
through it and
right to the
reacted.
yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
looking at it on the retracement on the 1 minute. Like it literally tapped my entry. I'm looking at on MetaTrader. It tapped the red dot. I'm like, damn. Like, damn, bro. I just want this 1 to 2.3. Shit. Playing games.
we
Yeah,
would have got.
US
I
30s.
would have got taken out. Yeah, I would have got taken out. Come on.
Damn, this is
Okay,
trying to push. It really is.
where's it trying to go? Take this liquidity up here, the weekly high. Test the weekly. Go up to the weekly high around that area. It's an order block up there.
Still just holding this area. This entry is a good entry. It's just about being patient at this point. Because look at all the reaction over again. We have the fibs, we have the big figure levels, we have the order block, we have time of day. Everything's on our side. The London continuation. It's just a matter of time. It's either gonna
Oh
stop us out or keep playing out. Might just have to take this to the balcony just cause
my.
need a
Fresh air, bro.
different scenery, fresh air, something. There we go. Maybe there's a fresh air. Yeah, come on, play out. Play out, my boy. Play out around the balcony just like this. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just like
It's
this.
starting to play out.
Maybe it's the view.
What up? What up, y'all?
What's going on,
Can
bro?
y'all
What's
hear
going
me?
on, bro? Yeah, I hear you.
Shit, man. Just I got one position still in.
For what?
I put my shit like just like 2 points under my entry at 828.
828. So you're in for a short or a long?
Yeah, yeah.
Short.
Short.
Shit, I'm waiting for it to
Yeah.
play out. This is being difficult. This is being annoying.
Yeah, I took some off top though. Once it started retracing, I took some and left one in.
Shit, I'm holding this shit to 11,700 at least.
Orders are
Yeah,
stacking.
that run I'm gonna leave in.
I'm just waiting to break even
I
again.
just tapped it was like a fair value gap on that 1 minute that is just tapped in off that initial drop that it created. It's like that's
What
what you're
on?
checking
You're
off
trading
of.
NAS, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, bet. Yeah, it should keep on going lower. It's just this 11,800 level has a lot of orders being put in around it. So we just gotta wait till it gets around that level and away from it. Because once we get towards, I say back below this low, I think we're gonna start speeding, like really pushing for 11,700 fast. But right now, it's just a lot of orders
Yeah,
being built in around this area. That's why it's a pretty good
yeah,
entry.
that's
So it's just about being patient right now.
just the accumulation part.
Mm-hmm. Now we just got to keep waiting it out. And I don't like how we keep getting these engulfings of bullish air bearish. I can't tell
Yeah,
which side the price trying to move to.
the fake out.
Yeah, this is going
Let it
crazy
know
right
what you're
now.
doing.
I think it's gonna
Yeah,
turn to
it's cool though.
hold the
Man,
800 level.
fucking. Hey, so FTMO fucked me over on my challenge pass. I passed. Remember I told y'all a minute ago I
Mm-hmm.
had passed a little FTMO and shit.
Yeah, what they do?
I look back and I fucking that same day I hit the drawdown by $32.
Bro, that happened to me too. But like last year, that same shit happened to me by $50.
Man,
Fifty
that shit
bucks,
pissed me
bro.
off so bad. So I ain't fucked with it since. I'm in the middle of a 200K MFF challenge. I got fucking three
Okay.
days left. I don't even got. I got like probably like not even a whole percent left for break even, so I can get a retry. So that's what I'm shooting for
Shit.
right now. So
3 days
again,
is more than enough. Shit, just take high probability trades. Damn, bro, this
yeah,
shit
that's what.
keep trying to push.
Yeah. Let me
Every
see. Hold
time
up,
it makes me,
Tacalia.
every
Hold
time it
on.
makes me think I was going about to finally get TP1 again. Back to retracing. It's 11,800. It's just wild.
Yeah,
I need to push away
I
from.
do think
Like, damn.
it's like waiting for that 2 o'clock FOMC.
Oh, that's today. Damn,
Yeah,
I didn't even pay
at
attention to
2.
the news. Shit, it might be.
I
It
try not. I
just
try
might be.
not to, but some stuff like that that's gonna like possibly wick me out. I'll be looking
Yeah,
that shit up. Yeah.
I don't be trading around that time. That's why a lot of the time I don't really care for it. Cause past 10:30, I'm not even on the charts. Like I'm definitely
I
not on the
feel
charts
you, and
past
I've been
12.
like sticking with that shit, dog. But it's just yes, I think it was yesterday. I think I caught my play in the
There he
afternoon
is.
yesterday.
Shit, Martin. At this point, I don't even get my hopes up. It just keeps faking me out. So until we can at least break below this low, I'm not even worried about this shit yet. But
I'm just trying to get another entry on a short.
it's
I
just
actually
Wick
might
City. Look,
up
another
in
rejected
soon.
again. That's why I don't even worry about it no more. Wick City right now.
Oh yeah.
Damn, bro. The fuck? I'm trying to grab this one. Yeah, look at that. Back to retracing. Like nothing even happened. Oh. At this point, shit, I want to say it wants to fall, but it looks like it might even try to clear this high at this point if it doesn't try to drop. Because it looks like it's trying to seek
Exactly.
liquidity, but if
Yeah.
it's failing to go any lower, probably gonna reach for this high at 1150. Try to stop me out. To probably try to stop everyone else out that's in this trade, and then drop. The US 30 looks like
Yeah.
it's rejecting this. It's only a matter of time for these two pairs to drop. It's only a matter of time.
It's after 10, so hopefully we can get
Damn, it's
the
already
real
10:03.
move.
Shit. Been staring at this for an hour and a half. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just chilling on that couch now. Like, shit.
Where you at right now?
I'm in Tampa right now, downtown Tampa.
Oh, okay. My sister stay in Florida. I forget what city she stay in.
It's not Florida's mad valid. Valid for sure. The heat, everything. The water, the food, sun. You're from where?
You li-
Chicago, right?
you No, I'm from Detroit, but
Detroit. Dang, I knew it was somewhere on
yeah,
the east. What you say before that?
yeah. I live in North Carolina though
North
now.
Carolina.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's nice in Florida. I fuck with Florida.
Yeah, Florida nice, dog. Pretty much everywhere in Florida nice. Big ass
Well,
state.
it's a push it down.
Oh yeah, I just got stopped out at a little below break even, so small profit.
I'm just waiting. Like I figured it might try to go for some highs. Right now, I'm about to delete this fib because at this point, it's like shit. Could even try to retest
That was a good
850 again.
trade for me.
Shit, if you got out damn near on small loss, it's all good.
No, I ain't take no loss. I ain't get them
Oh,
shit.
it's like break even.
Yeah, I took the first two trades off the table, and
Oh, all right.
I
Are
made a
you
little
good
bit
then?
off of that, and then last one
Yeah,
I'm
you good
good for
then.
the day.
I don't like the way it's played out. It's just not moving slow. The volume's not here. US 30s, they're both doing similar. They're trying to go higher, but they still look like they want to drop because that lack of volume. But
Yeah, they probably gonna take forever to close that big ass gap.
real shit, like all I need is damn near 117 points and I'm out. That's all I need. No, all right, it's
Yeah,
trying to
that's
drop
decent.
now. It looks like there was probably a lot of
Mm-hmm.
people that were short that they just stopped out like you did.
Mm-hmm.
That could be what this is.
I'm good. I ain't even gonna jump back in.
Nah, definitely
I'm gonna
don't
take
do
that.
that. It's not. It doesn't look good enough because this easily just start rejecting back up again,
Yeah.
just like it has the other 3 times. Like I wish it was. I'm about to. Can I go to a 30-second time frame? Like shit, bro. I gotta go even
I'm
lower.
just gonna jump in on demo and not play with the damn eval account.
Nah, bro. Yeah, don't even. It's not even worth it. It's not. It's not clean. It looked cleaner earlier before all the consolidation and all the ranging.
I'm
That's just.
grateful to the
That's that.
trading guys for what I made. Oh, what the
Not
fuck?
real shit. If you were able to make it out without losing, you're doing better than majority of other people anyway. 90% of other people.
Yeah, that was my main focus, just to make it for a retry and then get another 30 days to try again.
All right, we're about to. I'm at TP1 again. Should I break even or should I
Yeah,
fucking wait? I'm breaking even. Fuck this trade. Fuck this trade, bro.
Imagine if
oh,
it
that's
did.
it right there.
If it starts rejecting again, bro, it got it. I don't even care at that point.
No,
It
you
got it,
got
bro.
it. This shit, you got the W.
Shit. Trust me.
Once
I've
this
believed that
close, if this
a whole bunch of
close,
times. If it closed below this
hey, if
low,
this,
I should be good. But
yeah, if that shit hit close at least at 11,755 or some shit, you good.
shit, but you know how these indexes be. You already know how this shit
Yeah,
been. Look at it. Trying to reject already. Trying to go back. It better not retest 11,800, bro. Because this level is making me mad.
hey, but you risk free now, right?
Yeah, I'm risk free. That's what I'm saying. Whatever happens, happens. But if it retests the entry again, I really doubt it's going to play out at that point. I really do. Because it's ranging too much in this area. And at that point, I'd rather just be out of the trade.
It's kind of like if you look at that's a fair value gap right there that it's rejecting off of, right, to the upside.
Which one? Right here?
Hold on, let me see. Let me look at your screen. I'm just looking at my phone. My bad.
Depends the time frame,
On
too.
a 1 minute,
This one in here.
you on the 1 minute?
Small
Yeah.
one. It
No,
rejected it
no,
once,
it's
though.
on the
That's why I want to
candle.
see it come a little bit lower.
Yeah. Oh no, lower.
Which one? This
Look
one?
lower. Yeah, right. Yeah,
Yeah,
right
that's the one
there.
I'm
Yeah.
looking. I want to see at least get ran into soon, but this shit,
Oh yeah, you got it on your side, bro. It's liquid down there below that, and then yeah, once it start rejecting off of that, you straight.
goddamn,
It's
bro.
gonna
If I gotta
bullshit for
move
a
this,
minute though.
I know this shit's gonna go down, but it keeps retesting my damn entry, and I'm tired of moving my stop loss to where it originally was. Like, come on,
Keep
bro.
it at your original. You was willing
The
to
only
take
thing
that risk
is,
at the beginning, huh?
that's what I'm saying. That's why I keep moving it back to where it originally was. Regardless what happens, I'm cool with
Yeah, if
taking
you was
that L
willing
at
to
what it
take that
was.
risk at the beginning, keep that same sentiment. You feel me?
Yeah, that's the same shit. I don't put it any lower or higher. I just keep it at where it was. Because I know this wants to go lower, but with the way this shit's moving, it's fucking me up right now.
Watch, you gonna message the group later with the screenshot. That bitch gonna drop all the way down there, and then it's gonna prime up for the long.
Shit, hope so. This shit, I've been in this trade, I don't even know how long. Damn near going on probably an hour soon.
I already have my workout done.
Shit, I need to do a whole bunch of shit still today. I wanted to go to the beach and trade, but I woke up too late.
It's too hot out there now. Shit.
Nah, not even that. I just woke up. By the time I would have got there, the market would have been open. I wouldn't have been able to go live. So I just gotta get there earlier. Like I gotta get there like 8 o'clock, 8:30. I woke up damn near that time.
Oh yeah, you off the Gulf water, right?
Oh yeah, Gulf
You ain't
water.
off that you ain't off the Atlantic water. Yeah,
We got the Gulf.
that's that pretty water.
No, real shit. When I was in the Gulf 2 days ago when I was in the beach.
Ooh, very nice.
Good
Yeah,
little. That
that's it
water,
right there,
you
big
could
dog.
just sit in the water too. It don't be too cold. You valid. Bro, Nash, what you doing, bro? Every time I think you going down, you be on that bullshit.
Well, let me take my ass out here for this motherfucking run before this rain come out. I'm gonna
It's about to
tap in
rain.
with y'all boys. Appreciate y'all. Hell
Of
yeah,
course.
here
Good shit with the tree, bro.
all day, dog. Appreciate y'all,
All right, bro.
man.
You be safe.
Hey, Cortez, take it
Yep.
easy.
You too, big guy.
And then it was down to us, Martin, just waiting, just waiting.
I'm sending alerts, bro, because I gotta take a shit.
I feel you.
Fuck.
Set your alerts when you come back. If you hear music, you know what that means.
Yeah, I got it on the phone too, so I'll be tapped in. But it's been an hour, bro. I'm just trying to. I've been holding it this whole time, so I'm gonna just take off real quick.
Nah, I feel
Manage.
you.
Set the alerts though, real quick.
Like price wants to fall, but these wicks, bro. Like what the fuck? Like even US 30, bro, it's not trying to drop right now. It's making me so mad that it's just consolidating. Like, bro, what the fuck are you doing? And now it's retesting that tree again. Now I gotta move my fucking stop loss. Jesus Christ. This is not a fun trading day. I'd rather be out of the trade than in it. Kind of regret even taking it at this point. So I'm
Well,
just
if we
sitting
would
here
have
like, what
got
the
it
fuck?
at 840 with a 25 pip stop loss, we could have been out with that whole move at 2-3%. But
Yeah, 25% stop loss. I don't know if I would have even risked that. That's too risky for me. I knew how these pairs be moving. They'd be moving too fast. I try to use like 35, 30 minimum. Yeah, whatever happens, happens, bro. I'm mentally out of it. I'm ready to go out with my day. I'm just staring outside like, damn, I'm still just, look, I'm just sitting here on the couch just watching outside. Just like, damn, this trade is not trying to play out.
it probably will, bro. Just not anytime soon. So that's why I'm setting my alerts so I can. I gotta go, bro. I'll talk. I'll be here, but not really here.
All right, I got you, bro. Then it was just me, guys. I'm just waiting, bro. Like, it's not trying to play out how I want it to. And it might just not play out at all. That's not the spirit to have. Gotta trust your analysis. And until we get to 11,700 or until we get to 11,857, I'm staying in this trade, bro. It's pushing right now, but hey, until I get stopped out, I ain't lose nothing. Yeah, let me check the YouTube comments. My bad, guys, if I have been reading them. So you're looking for longs or shorts? Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. I'm in a short right now, but it doesn't look like it wants to play out, if I'm really being honest. What's US 30 doing? Because, shit, man. If US 30's not pushing, though. Yeah, these indexes right now are just on some bullshit. On that bullshit, bro. It's probably just gonna try to clear all this liquidity to the left. Maybe even might try to come for this high up here. Only time will tell. Yeah, they would clear those highs to the left. I'm gonna see if we tap into 850 one more time. If we don't start rejecting again, oh yeah, it's probably gonna be rents for this trade. See if it rejects that Asian range 50% again. But at this rate, I think it's probably gonna run for those highs. Sadly, it held this trade for so long and it just didn't play out. Yeah, US 30 is trying to push too. Yeah, it's not looking too good. Mentally, I think I lost this trade. So if it plays out, it's only a good thing because I think I lost it, to be honest.
to come back and see, my boy.
Yeah,
But
bro, this is acting crazy. Went and cleared those highs to the left, like I was talking about. Now I'm trying to see if it's gonna try to reach for the other high, or if it's just gonna try and drop. But at this point, I just came to the conclusion that if I lost this trade, so if it plays out, it plays out. But mentally, I think it's already over.
all right, man. Well, fuck. I don't want to hold you up, bro, on vacation. So I set
Nah,
alerts.
regardless, I'm gonna just be waiting for it. I'm gonna just be sitting here anyway.
Oh, okay.
And that's why I'm just chilling right now. It looks like it wants to come low, but this lower time frame has been deceiving.
Yeah. Let's see. 15 minutes.
Like I ain't even break even no more. Risk is on and drawdown above 11,800. Just everything's going against this trade idea for me right now. But until we can get, if we can get back below 11,800, close below, then I'll contemplate break even again. But I don't even think it's worth it yet.
I'm gonna break even as soon as it breaks those lows at around 750. I'm gonna set an alert to.
Yeah, that's ideally what I want to see happen too. Damn, all it keeps on doing this to me. Two candles in my direction, one candle erases it all.
Yeah, it's whipping in this area, so there's gonna.
And that's what I'm saying. At some point, it's probably just gonna come and wick me out and just then probably drop. And that, I'm not gonna move my stop loss any higher than it already is. So I'm damn near at break even still. Like, damn, bro. Just go my direction. This is such a big lot size that if it plays out, I'm making good money. But come on, bro. You know you want to.
You know you want to, damn, bro. That's how you caress you know you want to. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know you want to. I don't know why you lying to yourself. You could just tell. Look at the body language. Look at the candles. Come
She just
on.
needs to bend over already, bruh. Just
Mm-hmm. Being
shit.
too
Come on,
fucking
man.
playing games,
Fuck.
bro. Just playing games. I'm playing my emotions.
That's been a minute. I like foreplay, bro, but this is too long.
Nah, bro. Fuck this. This isn't even
Nah,
foreplay.
bro.
Like, look, one candle literally erases everything in a matter of a
Well,
second. All right, let's see how we react to 850. If we don't reject 850 again, it's runs. It's fucking over for this trade. Yeah, and US 30 is pushing too. I might even just cut it off early because now that US 30 is not playing out, this ain't playing out. It's only a matter of time before I just stopped out right here. Oh, shit, man. Whole bunch of nothing today. Whole bunch of nothing. Yeah, this is going higher. US 30 is going higher. This is going to go higher. Yeah, I knew it was probably going to be an L after it was failing to drop. When a trade wants to play out, it plays out. Yeah, this better hit stop loss. Oh, it be like that.
These are the ones you just gotta breathe out, bro. Shit.
Yeah, bro,
Fuck.
just say fuck it. It is what it is.
You're still up though for the week, bro. This is gonna put me at break even essentially.
Yeah. Still though, my laptop's about to die. Damn.
Oh, if this trade plays out though, bro, I'm gonna go get me a
If
steak
it
dinner.
somehow plays out, bro, I'm gonna literally go and just go take a shower and just smoke, bro. Cause shit,
Fuck.
the stress that's creating right now for me is just wild. Cause this shit's just playing with my emotions. Wants to
Yeah.
stop me out, doesn't. Wants to go TP2, TP1, doesn't. It's doing everything the opposite I want to see.
Still below the 50% of the OB, so order block, so
Oh no, it's so close to stop loss.
yeah.
I gotta keep extending this fucking line. Like, damn, bro. Like, it cleared all these highs. So let's see if it's really gonna drop now. Because if it wants to, it should. US30 dropping slightly. Yeah, US30's not even in this fib no more. Yeah, nah, so I don't think it's gonna go our way. This just look another bullish engulfing. Yeah. Lost by hope for this trade. Hope is gone. If it plays out, this is all just luck at this point because I should have got stopped out like twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's just no momentum. That's all I can say at this point. Higher time frames look like they want to go higher anyway, so it's only a matter of time.
Yeah, it's gonna reach today. Well, if that's the case, fuck it. Alerts are set.
Really just ranged all morning, bro. Yeah, it's not trying to hold any of these levels. 850 is trying to, but damn near not. It's trying to pushing one, two, three times already trying to get above this high. Didn't hold 11,800. Like, bro, just if you're gonna reject, just have a big rejection. Stop bringing me so close to stop loss. At this point, you're just wasting my time. Nah, bro, I don't care what it's holding, bro. What fair value? You got this one. Man, this is not holding in my direction, bro. It's holding this one right here. It looks like. I think that's what he's talking about. But even then, bro, this shit still look like it's gonna go higher. That fair value gap is not helping me right now. Like, bro, if it's helping so much, bro, go the opposite way. Stop ranging. Have a stop loss. Can't just hold this shit. There we go. Get away from stop loss. At least go back to entry. Tired of being a drawdown. And then the rejection. Yeah. I'm mentally exhausted from watching this shit. Right, like it just keep pushing slowly and slowly. Like every down candle is only like one or two. Then the rest are just dojis and up candles. Yeah, it's about to be brunch.
Breakout.
It's about to be clips. And I am. Oh, Jesus, bro. Just stop me out, bro. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Make up your mind, bro. I'm dead about it. Just leave it. Just whatever happens, happens. But journal this shit later because this is on some bullshit.
Bullshit, bro.
Like it's
Alright.
rejecting 850, but it's not trying to go any lower. Like it just makes me want to move my stop loss 10, 15 more points, say fuck it, and just let it play out. And if I take the bigger loss, it's 100% my fault because at this point I know it wants to go lower. But look, what is this doing? It's just trying to get closer and closer to stopping me out, and then this box is gonna drop. I guarantee it's gonna drop.
It may push for above to go to the 12 a.m. open, previous day high, and then that news comes out for all these people going short, and then the real short happens. But we don't know. We don't know. We just trade what we see.
Never. I'm just trying. I want to play this short out, but everything's just on. Has no volume right now, and when it does have volume, it's the opposite direction.
Mm-hmm.
Like this 850 level is not doing its job right now. So it's making price. It's pushing it higher than it is lower, but the rejection is to the downside. Yeah, it's only a matter of time. I'm just waiting to get stopped, bro. Just waiting.
868. There. Oh, dude, I thought that was it. It almost got me out. It's gonna get me out. I know it is. Just look at that push. Watch. Boom. 868.
Yeah, it's trying to, but then it just ranges.
I'm out.
Up, there we go.
That's my um
Took it damn near
negative on.
long enough, bro.
Fuck.
I'm still in it with a wick, like barely, but I already know how this is gonna be. Oh, and we're rejecting again. Jesus Christ. Bro, just
Yeah,
make up your
almost
mind, bro. What is
again
like
because
this shit? The Bears momentum right now is like it's there. When it drops, I'm gonna be so sick because it's gonna drop after it sets me up. I'm still in it, but damn near this trade. If this plays out somehow, and I'm gonna have to call it a week at that point because shit, there was no
don't want to
reason
give
to
back.
win this trade. You said what?
Yeah, said don't want to give back what you already have.
Yeah, bro. Especially if I somehow win this out of all the bullshit I went through today, I deserve that win. And it's pushing now. About to stop me. Yeah, his runs. Rest in peace, this trade idea. It looked good at the time, but it's just trending upwards now. But now I'm gonna just end it off here, bro. I'm not even gonna watch it no more. It is what it is.
It is
Yeah,
what it
just
is.
L for the day. It was a good
Take
trade
it easy.
idea. Just didn't play out.
Take it
So
easy, bro. Have a good day. It's
you
still a
too,
good
bro.
fucking day, bro. Be amazing and be back tomorrow.
All right, bro. I'll talk to you. Be safe.
You be safe later.
But nah, guys, gonna end it off here. Appreciate everyone for watching. If you were able to make money today, just call it a day. Come back tomorrow. But with that note, I'm off. Appreciate everyone for being here. We took our L. Well, I'm still in it technically. I'm about to be stopped out by like a point. So, yeah, I just got stopped out. But